Big up YouTube. Big match for the Reggae Girlz tomorrow at Independence Park, the office. Big Olympics match against the reigning Olympic champion Canada at the National Stadium tomorrow. But before we can even get into how we believe the Reggae Girlz can beat this Canada team, boy, we have addressed the issues that leading up to the Reggae Girlz match. Again, it seems every time the Reggae Girlz have a match or a tournament, it just have to be issues. And a lot of people slander the girls them or didn't speak at the World Cup one day. But when you hear things like your gears not show up after 6 weeks at Australia and Bosak reach late for God training, Jaja, you have to think say maybe a sabotage are going on the girls them, man. Some real guzu are going on the girls them for real. Because we can't understand for them how them simple things like how the bus for late for carry God training for the national senior women team, national senior team, you know, it not add up, man. It is not add up. But may I allow that to JFF, you know. JFF have to start with them thing, you know. In terms of the match tomorrow, though, well, other problems as usual, because see some of the girls them reaching late. Based on what I'm gathering, Lauren Danielson have a full slate of players available, and the best way to beat this Canada team, if you saw this Canada team in the World Cup recently, right, you will realize the core weakness to this Canada team is physicality. You have to rough them, may I tell you. If you really put some body upon the girls them, alright, they put body upon the players them, in especially the midfield area, them don't really like the physical nature of the game. We saw it prompt and center in a Nigeria match at the World Cup. Because Nigeria blow for blow bully them off of the park, really. Right? Not to say the Canada is not an athletic team, you know, they're very athletic, you know, but they don't necessarily like the rough house. So I think that will be one of the key pillars to beating this Canada team come Friday. So me to propose, since Lauren Danielson love him 4-4-2, my proposal is that you play McKenna with Bunny Shaw up front, right? Put that next extra physical body up there, right? And try disorganize that Canada centre back pairing, because them not really like base again, they not really like them kind of flex there. But otherwise than that, the rest of it, the same Chantel's sister should be there, right? And I want to see Cameron at right back for make better squares from the right side, especially if you put McKenna there. But I tell you, the Canada team is still led by Christine Sinclair, right? We think she be on her best still, you know. We still have to keep our eye upon her because she still can finish in the box. It's a good finisher. So let's keep our eye upon Sinclair. And there's a team fairly young, so we just have to manage them, because this will be a big deal, you know, because we have made it to 2 World Cups, but no Caribbean team has made it to the Olympics. And in a women's football, at 2 major tournaments, World Cup or Olympics. And since this is only one of 2 spots available, it is a big deal. So I hope people come out to the stadium Friday. If you keep in mind, the second leg will be in Canada as well, so we need a good result here, especially a clean sheet. I think we'll get a clean sheet based on how we play. So I just hope we don't overstretch ourselves seeking a goal too early. Just maintain them, frustrate them, keep eye on Sinclair, and then just hit them on the break when they go best can, or go direct when we can. But yeah, man, that is my view on how we can beat this Canada team tomorrow. We'll be there, we'll be watching, and we'll come back with a reaction how the game went. But for now, keep it locked at Jampl Fan.